Can you see me?
Yeah.
First of all, I'd like to thanks the proper management of the session, and although I had the previous background of ESG, basically my objective was to go in deep dive into GHG accounting, how from the foundation level, the basic level, how the reports are calculated. So thanks to Mohit, I learned this thing. So, but it's a long journey. So I'm looking forward to work with you guys also in the future. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dipankar.
Thank you.
Really lovely.
Thank you, Dipankar.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible now.
So I'm here for the feedback as well as for a query. I'm really just a fresher here. I'm from an agriculture background, a postgraduate one. I'm just starting my journey in pivoting toward the ESG, especially this GHG accounting role. So I came across Regeneva through my LinkedIn portal and advertisements, and then I went through all and joined the community as well for the WhatsApp group. It was really an amazing and intellectual webinar for workshop for past 2 days. As well as a fresher, I was able to understand and learn everything. I did all the assignments. It was really challenging for me at first, but later it appears like it was doable for me. So yes, it was really great to join, and I think it's one of the best decisions here to attend this webinar. So thank you so much for all the work.
Thank you so much, Ria, for your kind words.